Spring Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 1/3 horsepower garbage disposal. So you can see right there. And these, we usually get these out of Ferguson or Hajoka, usually Hajoka. Get those and bring them over. It's got a brand new line cord that comes with it, so that's good. And a mounting flange. So up in the sink side, we replaced the flange. And so that's new putty, new flange, so that's good. Over here we give you new basket strainer as well. And the reason being the other one was corroding. It wasn't quite leaking yet, but it was on its way. So no reason not to replace it. And so that's in and tight. We did replace your waste kit underneath here too. When we cut that arm back there, the 1.5" schedule 40 ABS pipe, when we cut it, it was chock full of debris. So we cleaned out the remaining portion there, pulled it out of there, and then we made a transition to tubular piping. So you've got a tubular P-trap with nuts all around, tubular extension, up to a telescoping kit. So this little guy got a nut there, bolts to the disposal over there. That piece right there actually goes in and out of that tube. So it's real easy to work on, and it's absolutely clean. So everything down here looks good. We did notice that there's a little bit of a gap in this. You got an air gap up here with a little bit of a gap on the bottom. Probably an old gasket, and the homeowner stated that water does come out of that sometimes, which means this hose is partially blocked. It looks like it's in good shape, but you can't see inside of it. And so worst case scenario, if it starts backing up, often, we'd like to get that hose replaced. So just a quick hose replacement on the discharge side. Probably just put in a new air gap as well, and that'll button it up. So please monitor this area for leaking. Outside of that, this installation is done.